Okay, I'm going to be making a dresser for my Kendall doll. And you'll need a lot of cardboard, some paper, glue, tape, and if you want to, you can measure it. But I've already done that and cut out the pieces. And the letters stand for where they go. The B's back, front, left, right. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting it together. And I think I'm gonna start by attaching it to the side. You can put the back on, and it should reach both of them. To save tape, you can just get some pieces and then tape it down.
I'm so
Or you
tired.
could get one long piece and you I'll keep it this way so it's not slanted. I'll put on the top. You can also make a bottom if you want to. I'm saving cardboard. Now you can add the drawers. Put them in the place you know that you want to put them. Okay, so I cut up some pieces that match the shape, and I'm just gonna glue it on. But now I'm gonna put some glue on it. And I'm gonna rub it in because I don't want a lot of marks. Okay, now I'm going to do the same with all of the sides. Some glue on it. Okay, so I went ahead and put paper on the little drawers. So I did that off camera. And now I can glue them on. I don't need to use a brush and brush it on this time because it won't. It's on cardboard, not paper. Well, it will be on paper, but not like if you put the part of paper that you want to see. But I'm gonna go ahead and see where I want it to be. Be right here. So gonna get the glue and I'm gonna put it on. fold it over where you want it to go, and you place it. And then you do the same with the others. Put glue on them. Then you put them where you want them to go. It looks like a ginormous mouth and eyes. It's about to look even more like eyes. Now we're gonna put these on them. So now you just need to let it dry. I know it looks a little bit like a face, but it'll still look pretty cool. And if you want it to just be a little desk or something, you don't need to put the drawers on, and then it'll be like a little stand. And this is kind of how it'll look if you do it that way. But yeah, it came out pretty good. So this is the dresser we just made. It looks pretty good in there. And then this is my Barbie dream house bag because it's so long that my Kendall doll can almost fit in there. See? And I took a picture frame from Kendall's art studio and I drew a little picture on there and I glued it on. Glued it in the house. I made a little shelf. This is a backpack that came with my smart droid. And then I made these closets that actually open. And you can actually put things in here. Well, I did cut out like an oval shape and then I put designs on it so it'll look like a carpet. That came out really good too. But yeah, that's how you do it.